Yeah, we off in the mix, you dig what I'm saying? Just pulled up to my partner spot real quick, about to get these bees off in that junk, you dig what I'm saying? We had a little catastrophe with trying to get them bees out that hole, but it's all good, cause you know your boy Lelo always have a backup plan, and he have a backup plan for the backup plan with another backup plan, you dig what I'm saying? So, we about to show y'all what it look like on my man Tree spot real quick.
Cut you, Tree.
What's up, man? Come on.
When it's organic, there's no need to panic. 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 The produce I grow, I know that it's lemon, the veggies, the fruit. I know they taste better, potatoes, tomatoes. I grow whatever, I drop it in time. They come up on schedule.
You dig? You see the raspberry, blueberry. See, that's how you really do it. You have stuff growing all over your yard, peach trees. You dig what I'm saying? Then you had them bees to come in and do some pollination for you, and everything gonna work how it's supposed to. Look at that. Baby peaches, you know what I'm saying? Out here in Georgia. Here we go.
That's a big bulky broad, man.
Yeah.
Big bulky butch broad, you know.
Yeah. She will not let that male rooster down there mount her for nothing. You know what I'm saying? He ain't strong enough. Look at him. That's like a big linebacker. Yeah. And that little rooster over there like a little bit of rooster. Now he ain't no little rooster, but she treat him like he a tight end.
Put his hat down on his head. Pull the hat down on his head. Firm. All right, somebody else can put this one on.
I'm putting my hood on and everything.
Look, he putting I forgot he putting on the veil for y'all.
These are my graft. I'm gonna graft queens tomorrow. These are the queen grafts.
What does that mean?
All of these is a potential queen cell. So I'm gonna graft 50 queens tomorrow.
Yeah, man, y'all just seen that thing. This shows y'all the first hive off in this joint. You did what I mean? About to go on over there to the side and see what else popping over there, and then get them bees that I gotta take to that west side. You dig?
West side.
Go ahead, you on it?
Yep.
Make sure you keep that sugar water thick though.
Thick.
At least 3 to 1, man.
Dig
Not
it.
less than that.
Dig it. Yeah. Got this box ready to rock. Ooh. Heavy. Full of bees and honey.
That's it. That's almost down.
I'm out of here. It be alright. Look, it ain't like I ain't got hit before, huh?
Yo, FURG, what up?
Boy, get your finger out your nose.